Today, we are visiting the Brooks-Hummel Nature Preserve in Fayetteville, Arkansas. This almost 14-acre preserve is smack dab in the middle of this bustling little college town. The land was purchased by Doyle Brooks in 1948, where he and his family raised Jersey cows and worked on their large garden. At one point, 20 acres were divided up between two parties. In 2007, the preserve was acquired by the Fayetteville Parks and Recreational Department. The creek that runs through the preserve is fed by Lake Lucille, which sits just above Brooks-Hummel.